Hello, Dr. Ryan Grohl's here with Rock Creek Spine and Rehabilitation Center in Broomfield, and I'm here to introduce our newest technology in the regenerative medicine field. This is called shockwave therapy. This is a wonderful, non-invasive tool for regeneration of soft tissues. It's a great way to improve blood flow and blood vessel growth. It stimulates collagen production. It also relieves chronic pain and inflammation and accelerates tissue repair and cell growth. This is a wonderful tool for things like chronic back pain, chronic neck pain, plantar fasciitis, things like golfer's elbow or tennis elbow. Also with carpal tunnel or frozen shoulder, this gets wonderful results. So if you're out there struggling with one of these conditions or just curious about what this technology does, please reach out to us. We're also offering some trials of this therapy. Give us a call at 303-499-6565. Thank you.